Is it me, or am I getting like Steve will do it with draw and Cody from Exposed with draw? I want to see that, and Dana White with draw. I need some live blackjack action from them. So if you guys follow them on Instagram or X, send them a message that we need some more content, because I am missing that, and I'm going to start doing that. We've got Vegas gamblers up on deck. Looks like we're buying in for $2,500. Playing at the Boulders casino in Vegas, I believe. Let's hop in it, you guys. Go over, like, and subscribe to Vegas Gamblers channel.
Session 3 today here at Boulder Station.
Boulder Station.
$2,500 buy-in, $100 minimums for me. If you come here, they have $5, $10, or $10 tables, $5 maybe, $25.
Get it. This was posted about a few months ago. I'm doing a little backlog while I'm waiting for our degenerates.
I had this last time I was here. It's crazy. At least I won this one. Too hot.
What can you do?
150.
Atta boy, let's split them up. Let's go.
No. Oh, come on,
Big one.
Oh, wow. Let's do 2 hands of 150 each.
No, oh, man.
Alright, $300.
Alright, he ain't got no money there. Sir! Stop! Stop right now. You're running the game, okay?
Sounds like some drama in the background.
Alright, let's go back to home. Thanks some money here. No one check.
Oh, I like how he flipped that. That was pretty funny.
You overdue for a blackjack.
Yeah, I know. I'm way overdue. Yeah. Alright, 250. There we go, come on. Nice and easy.
Oh man, you gotta split them.
Hands here. Stay here.
You know, I gotta say,
Wow.
I like his
All right.
betting strategy right now. He's just keeping it low and slow.
I know that one was rough.
It was a rough deck, but for starting out with $2,500 and only being at 18, you gotta give him credit. I mean, it could have gone so much quicker, and that's where I do believe, like in the beginning portions of like getting into shoes or multiple shoes, you got to test out the deck, see what's going on. With that, you guys, go down to the description, check out some fun links down there. I've got some beard products, some hair products, just all sorts of stuff. It helps out the channel. Don't care about the subscription or subscribe or anything like that. You guys do you, but definitely go down the link. That helps out. Let's get back into it.
Well, you can't put you up on it, look at you.
Oh, Vegas Gamblers.
Yeah, go give Vegas Gamblers a like and subscribe. 16.
Oh, wow. Two guys. Hard-earned fish there. Thanks.
See, I actually like that. I do like his betting strategy right now. That's okay. Let's let's get it going.
Let's get a whole look up for a second on that face. Try one. Seven. Oh.
Big one.
There we go. You know what? 2 hands at 200. 213. Yeah. Oh no. What if I had one? One hand at 3.
Oh my god, that's brutal.
That's a brutal beat. No insurance.
Not that yet, but
wow. There we go. 2 hands at 200. Unbelievable. All right. Well, that sucked.
I agree.
Yeah.
Oh, not bad.
All right, 1 shoe to go. So 1 shoe already? 8.5 minutes. All right. Need to come back here.
That's your original buy-in?
I buy them for 5,000 every day. I figure I'm losing at some point, so I start with 2,500 though every session.
What do you wife?
She's sick today. Otherwise, she's normally here.
Hope she gets better, huh?
Yeah, thanks.
Good, good. Needed that big time. Definitely needed that. Dude, I love the dealer, man. The dealer's got a
Minimum
flow.
double downs now. It's the whole
You know
difference.
he's an experienced dealer. I love the flow. All right, we got a little comeback. I would be pressing a little bit.
200?
Yeah, we got a good shoe going on right here. Double it. Scared money, don't have money.
Come on. Ah. Right up.
It's still press. It's still press. It's a good shoe. 8, 10, 15, 16.
Wow.
Jeez. I thought he was going to pull that one out, man. I thought he was going to have...
Better wrap.
Okay, we got lots of 10s coming
Come
out
on.
here.
Oh.
Yeah, careful. We got lots of 10s coming out. I would say the count is high. I could be wrong, but I think the count is high. And double it. Double it. Double it. Double it. Double. 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 Let's see.
Well, you call gambling for nothing, right?
Yep. Let's go. Come on, man. Good vibes.
Oh, wow.
There we go. Come on.
Oh, no.
Oh,
no.
damn.
Oh, man.
You can't win. That's why everybody says it's rigged, guys. That's why everyone says it's rigged.
Of course I wouldn't. All right, 200.
You know, everyone's got an opinion how to play. Everyone's got a strategy and a yet, unless you're Mickey,
It's like blood for punishment
I've yet to
here.
see somebody just be able to take
Come
the
on, dude.
casino.
There we go.
They always
that
come
bet
out,
back,
man.
all right.
Always come out. You got a little comeback coming on. Got a little, I'm telling you, man. I'd be pressing you.
300 again. There we go.
Nice. A good comeback. Here we go.
Wow. Back to even. I don't want to do 200. Wow. Beating me double downs, huh? There we
Nice. Good.
go. All right, everybody. First winning session of the day. It's about time. Broke our losing streak. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.
Oh, that one was a pretty quick one. But, hey, like always, you guys, that was a crazy run. And that's what I was saying before, man. You can have all sorts of strategies. You can have all sorts of, gameplay that you like to do. And sometimes, man, the cards just don't come out the way you want. That's gambling for you. With that, you guys, love you, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.